Bathukuthele baganunwabo abomzansi Afrika ngentombazana engenele Miss South Africa wakuleli ke loMzansi Afrika ekuvela ukuthi ke ngokuzalwa kwayo izalwele lapha endaweni yase South Africa kepha abazali bayo akubona balapha ke South Africa ubaba wayo kuvele ngathi wase Nigeria bese kuthi ke unina wayo abe wase Zimbabwe okanye Mozambique mangabe ke ngingaphosisi abomzansi Afrika ke sebeze ke baqala ke nepetition esayinwa online yokuba ke lontombazane angavunyelwa kuba ke angene ku Miss South Africa kubathukuthelise kakhulu ke ukubona abase Nigeria bengena kakhulu kulolu daba bengena begamanxa bembungaza sengathi ke ungowabo kanti abomzansi Afrika bathi ke abamthathe vele iningi ke labantu lithi ke alimdingi kanti ke abanye bathi ke ngoba ezalele lapha eSouth Africa abazali bakhe bengabangaphandle akusho ukuthi ke yena owangaphandle nganza kwethu cela ukuthi ke uyibonele ngento engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje.
Chidima, hoping that she wins and it's important to highlight these things when they do happen because as Nima has said, there is a history of xenophobia in South Africa, and when we realize that the community itself should be intentional about changing the view or the perception other people have of South Africa concerning non-South Africans that live in their country. So it's important for us to just support Chidima and wishing her the best, that hopefully she's able to win the pageant, and we can also celebrate her all the way here. And
so that's the thing. Let her win the pageant and let South Africa celebrate her. When we now celebrate her, she has taken it home.
Even Mozambique too celebrate her.
Yes.
The whole of Africa
that's what Africa was hoping.
Because the goal is that she would go and represent South Africa in the Miss Universe pageant.
And they were calling Chidima, not Bonang,
but she's African. Now our turn.
Hi everyone, my name is Chidima Vanessa Onwe Adechina, known as Chichi. I am an official Miss South Africa 2024 finalist. 2 interesting facts about myself is that I love dogs, but I'm absolutely afraid of them. And I love singing, but I cannot sing to save my life. So come along on this journey with me.